Good morning, one and all. Let us see the first novel, section 1, first novel, Being Neighborly. Being neighborly. First, we will see what is meant by neighborly. Being neighborly, it means that being friendly with others or being friendly with our neighbors. That is meant by being neighborly. Okay. Now, before learning the novel, let us see some questions given here. Read the following statements and mark those that apply to you. Means that statement is related with you. That statement you have to tick mark. Okay. First statement, I make friends easily. If you make friends easily, you can tick over here. Next, I wish to be friends with someone but my friendship is rejected. I wish to be friends. I wanted to be a friend with others, but others are not interested in me. If that statement is related with you, suitable with you, then you can tick mark here. Next, someone has extended a hand of friendship towards me and I have not accepted it. I have given a hand of friendship to others, but I have not accepted it. Others have given a hand of friendship to me, but I have not accepted it. If that also happened with you, then you can tick mark here. Next, I have a large group of friends, but no best buddy. I have a large group of friends, but I do not have a best friend or best buddy. If that also statement is related with you, you can tick mark here. Next, I have a small group of close friends and I have no wish to interact with anyone else. I have a small group of friends and I am happy in that only. I am not interacting with others. If that statement is related with you, you can tick mark here. I have cordial relationships with all, but I cannot connect with anyone. I have friendly relationships with my friends or my colleagues, but not close connection with anyone or with others. That also statement is related with you, you can tick mark over here. Okay, that story or that novel is related with friendship. So before learning the story or novel, you must complete these icebreakers. Okay, let us see the next. Complete the following wave diagram. Here one diagram is given, you have to complete that. Friendship to me means, what is meant by friendship according to you? That you have to write over here. Friendship to me means, here 2 points already given. Having long conversations. Having long conversation means friendship. Giving and receiving gifts means friendship. What is meant by friendship according to you? According to me, friendship means caring and sharing. That is also mean by friendship according to me. According to you, what is meant by friendship? That you can write. Making lots of fun with friends. That is also mean by friendship. Enjoying every moment with friends. That is also mean by friendship. Giving support to each other. Ready to sacrifice everything. That is also comes in friendship. Place to open your heart. You can open your heart with your friends. That is also mean by friendship. Get moral support in difficulties. That is also mean by friendship. That you can add here your own points. Okay. Next, if you see someone lonely or sad, you will. What you will do if your friend sitting sad or feeling lonely, what you will do for him or her? That points you have to write over here. If my friend is sitting sad or he will feel lonely, what I will do? I will help him in difficult times. What he actually problem he is facing, that I will try to give solutions on that. I will help him in difficult times. Also, I will tell him good jokes to make him happy. That also you can write over here. I will spend more time with him or her. That also you can write over here. I will cooperate with him in difficult times. If he has any problem or any difficulty, I will try to solve that. I will cooperate with him in difficult situation. I will give solution in any distress or any problem, whatever he has or she has. I will tell also I will spend more time with him, and I will feel him, uh, or I will give him moral support also. That also points you can add over here. Okay, so before starting the novel, you must write these points. Okay, let us see the introduction of the writer. Louisa May Alcott. She has written the novel Being Neighborly. Now, one more thing I want to explain, that neighborly. The spelling of neighborly given in your textbook is Neighborly. Actually, the correct spelling of neighborly is Neighborly. U is not added here. What is the reason behind that? That is the American spelling of neighborly given in your textbook, and the actually spelling, British spelling of neighborly is Neighborly. Okay. The writer Louisa May Alcott, she is an American writer, so she has used the American spelling of neighborly, but actually the British spelling of neighborly, that is we are using, that is given here. Okay, let us see the introduction of the writer Louisa May Alcott. 1832 1888, an American writer. She is an American writer in the mid to late 19th century. She is the American writer in the 19th century. Is considered to be one of the earliest feminist writer. Feminist writer, what is meant by feminist writer? Feminist writer means female characters. Mostly she used female characters in her story or novel. Out of these several books she wrote, her series beginning with Little Woman has been hugely popular among the masses and critics alike for a century and a half. She has written a popular series beginning with Little Woman. Little Woman, she has written a series, and that was the most popular. Her simple style and lively characters have left a mark and influenced generations of children and adults alike. Means not only children but also adults also like her, the series Little Woman. The setting of her book is the suburb of Boston. Suburb, what is meant by suburbs of Boston? Suburbs of Boston is the outside part of the Boston. Her worldview is wholesome and full of believable yet charming characters, which captivates the readers. Means whatever characters she is using in her novel or stories, that the readers likes very much. Okay, now here introduction of the novel. Here it is given. The following extract is from Little Woman. She has written series Little Woman, and from that series one extract is given in your textbook, that is Being Neighborly. The following extract is from Little Woman, first published in 1868. The story of four sisters. Being Neighborly. The story is of four sisters. Four sisters are there. Their names are Meg, Jo, Beth and Amy. These are the four sisters. Their friend Laurie, their wise and loving parents of modest means, living in a suburb of a city in the east coast of America, has caught the imagination of generations of readers, young and old alike. Means here given generations of readers, means readers, not only the old readers but also the young readers also like that. Each character caught the imagination of generations of readers, young and old alike. Each character is real and distinctive. Each character is feel like real. We remain firmly with the sisters through all their struggles, conflicts, triumphs, and joys. It serves as a guiding light to us in all the phases of our lives. This story helps us in our life. Means whatever message we are getting in from this story, that helps us in our life. The extract affords us the tantalizing glimpses into the book and narrates the beginning of a lifelong friendship between Jo, the brightest and liveliest of the four sisters, and the Laurie, their wealthy new neighbor. We understood the friendship, how the friendship developed between Jo and the neighbor Laurie. The March girls and Laurie become best buddies and much more as the book progresses. In this book or in this novel or in this story, we can found or we can understood how the March girls, the four sisters Given and Laurie, how their friendship grows. That we can understood from this story. Okay, before learning the story, we must know the characters. Which characters are given in this story? In this story, total 8 characters are there. Okay, mostly characters are female because Louisa May Alcott, she is feminist writer. Now let us see the characters introduced in this novel. The four sisters given here, Meg, Jo, Beth and Amy. The main character, the protagonist of this novel is Jo. The protagonist of the novel is Jo. Actually, her name is Josephine March, but here it is given the name Jo March, the protagonist of the novel. She is the main character of the novel and the second oldest March. Meg is the first sister, Jo is the second sister, Beth is the third sister, and Amy is the youngest sister. Okay. Now let us see about the Jo. Jo is the second oldest March sister who wants to be a writer. She wants to be a writer. Means this character is related with writer. Louisa May Alcott. Who wants to be a writer is based on the Louisa May Alcott herself. This character is based on Louisa May Alcott herself. Jo has a quick tongue. Means she speaks so much or too much. Although she works hard to control also. Let us see the next character, Meg. The oldest March sister, the first March sister is Meg. She is responsible and kind, gentle, loving and moral support. Gives moral support to others. Okay, next, Beth March. The third March daughter Beth is very quiet. She is very quiet. She does nothing but tries to please others. She tries to make happy others. She likes music and plays piano also. Next, Amy. Amy March, the youngest March girl. She is an artist who adores beauty, who likes beauty. These are the four March sisters given here. Next, that is Marmee. The mother of the four sisters is Marmee March, the March girl's mother. She is a moral role model for her girls. She counsels them through all of their problems and work hard. In every situation, March girl's mother helps to their girls. Okay, next character, that is Laurie. Laurie is the neighbor of the March sisters. Okay, the rich boy who lives next door to the March family. Laurie is who lives next door to the March family. Means we can say neighbor. Laurie, whose real name is Theodore Lawrence. Actually, her real name is given in this story, that is Theodore Lawrence. He is charming, clever and has a good heart. He looks so handsome also, charming, clever and has a good heart. Next character is Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence is the grandfather of the Laurie. Who is the Mr. Lawrence? Grandfather of Laurie. Laurie's grandfather and the March's next door neighbor. He seems gruff. Gruff means he has a rough voice, but he is loving and kind. Laurie's grandfather, he is loving and kind, but he has a gruff, means he has a rough and low voice. Okay, next. Aunt Marge. Actually, here only Aunt Marge character is, actually it is not presented here, only the Joe explained about Aunt Marge. A rich widow and one of the Marge girls' aunt, also irritated and difficult. She loves her nieces and wants the best for them. Okay, the main characters in this story are Meg, Jo, Beth and Amy. These are the 4 sisters. Their friend Laurie, who is a neighbor of the 4 sisters. Laurie's grandfather, Mr. Lawrence. 4 sisters' mother, Marnie. These are the most important characters given in this story. Before learning this story or novel, you need to read all the story and you need to write the difficult words and their meanings given in your textbook. Then in the next lecture we will see the full story given in your textbook. Okay, thank you.